Medyo mo. Headshot.
Sabon. Oh, never mind. Fly. Bye, boleh.
You can kill Joseph.
What do you do? I hit the head.
Okay, let's go.
Guys, magandang hapon guys. Pupunta kami sa gubat ngayon. Mangunguha kami ng ibon sa pamamagitan ng pamamaril. Kasama ko po yung mga taga-local. Kaya paano kami manguha ng ibon para makita nyo kung paano namin lutuin din. Okay guys, samahan nyo kami sa aming video.
Next shot.
May isa na kaming nakukuha. Ayan, nahulog. You can try spray the wings. It's very big.
Hindi ka talampay.
Rolling. Almost. Reload. 32.
Oh!
Hey, Joseph, huh?
Ay,
Stuck.
halang.
There's a headshot?
Just a scratch.
Headshot or
Chest.
body?
Body.
Yeah. Yung maliit na ibon na hulog galing sa taas. Hindi na yata marunong bumalik pa eh. Hindi pa masyadong marunong lumipad dito.
Shot one. Kilo. Ooh, I've been good.
Buhaton na orang.
Yeah, shoot this one.
Wala kayang. Kay pwede, pero ang mata.
Tira pa.
Oh my
Tira.
god, that what a shot. Oh, what? Irawan. Eh, but... Still alive.
Still alive?
Yeah, can shoot the wings and try to fly. Oh, go down.
Oh. Cool.
Ready, dead. The timing for the target.
Pakare mo agad.
On cemetery.
Oh, Steven.
Tama din yun.
Bad. Ito, may batin na rin. Nakagymnastic.
Tawag mo, what?
Ha? Ano nga?
Dead. This is step how to kill kabang. Let's go.
Yeah. This is a cemetery. Local cemetery.
These are the people who just died over here and then just come and dig their grave over here.
Mm.
Steven, bring.
Harapangan, ginata. Ano pa yung rolling? Ay, iwan lang.
No, touch me on face. Nakaray.
Alek, falling down. Falling down, ole.
Ay.
Sharpshooter, huh?
It's small.
You touch the mother
Headshot?
of the baby, you find it.
That is a headshot or the body? Ah, yeah. Cheese.
My old try.
Ay, nakagilinis.
I think you come is a hot shot.
No, kaya karus.
Habang area ako.
Ah, kaya nga dia.
Ano ito?
Here.
Ay, cheese.
Kidney shot.
Kidney shot.
Put on the ground. You get this one. And then you smash. One time. Then you put back.
Green coconut sauce.
Ah, you were there.
Try to wipe me.
Okay. There's 10 birds to catch.
This is how we do it.
Forward kaya kayo kami pa.
You cook and then you take out. No. I show you a pen. Okay. Hey, why you fart?
It's alive.
Still alive. No. No.
Diba? Bokoy.
So, ito no, kabangan. Eh,
이렇게 돼요.
ito yun.
미가.
응.
미기라. 옛날에.
Ay.
Ma, le c'è un buon appetito. Oh shit.
Tatat.
Pa, may katalit pa. Kaya cheese.
Why do we eat?
Huh?
Why do we eat?
See?
I eat mo kasi cheese mo gidan.
Please. Oh, na, pega.
Ori so mena para to sa nagilya.
Eh. More to go.
The salt water already come.
Incoming. Oh.
Aí me gasten, o gro on tara parsico. Te torong gawe mo ni ga tuan ni ga tre. Me gasto.
Ano masada ba?
Nga, one more.
Last one.
Even on fire.
Nakayang sila. Huwag mo makahubo. Sexy legs. Joke.
Para mapag.
No.
Yeah.
Hey, yo!
Again?
I get. God.
Mission accomplished. Now cooking.
You. Not the way I'm parang.
No, that's good.
Didn't get away, you. No? Dito na katul ba?
Kaya bakit?
Ayun.
Pag wala ka ng pot. Ayun, ayun.
Camera's on you.
That's the meat of bird.
Ready to cook.
Kaya ka na, kapit yan, makatukoya, ma-everything.
Ah, mother.
Makati. Really good. This is salt water. See this one? Salt water. Huh?
Very bad.
From the sea.
Finish.
Everything is modern. So we use modern technology.
Already cooked.
Heavy. Ano? Hawa.
Yeah.
Finish.
All ready to fire. Finish.
Finish. The fire will burn.
I close, huh?
Okay.
Later I show you how to local fire, not
Yeah.
butane.
John, yeah, there's 2 months.
We eat barbecue.
Yan na guys, ibabaon namin sa hukay yung yung pinagbabaratan ng mga ibon dito sa tabing dagat.
When I start, I did down.
Yeah.
Make it deep, so don't have to dig again for. But this one only 10. Just keep. See, last time that one
Yeah.
over there. You see that?
Over there?
Oh.
Mm,
I
There-
think that one too deep.
too deep?
Yeah, my mom say that one can take 150 kabang to go inside.
Oh?
Yeah, because only
There's a plenty kabang.
26.
Yeah.
Shoot 26 and then I dig up the hole too much. But but 26 kabang na rin the that hole too big for 26. So my mom told me that when I dig this hole, if I'm gonna measure, look how big that one is, and then dig. Because me, I don't care how many. I just dig a hole so it can go inside. When I think 26, I make this one big.
You make it a big hole
This
because
one, my job.
there's a plenty of skin.
Every day, not every day. The time when we go shoot bird, when we come back, my job is to get the water,
Yeah,
bring up, and then come dig hole.
that's your job.
Yeah. So I'm the oldest. Steven just helped
Steven
my,
is the master of how to take out
yeah.
skin of a bird.
Yeah, last time Cooper, when you know Cooper?
Cooper?
Yeah.
What is Cooper?
You know Cisco, no?
Cisco?
Cisco.
Cisco? I don't.
When you came down, you know the guy my mama telling you about that the old lady tell him that you eat sugar in Palau.
Yeah,
Yeah, you drink coconut in Palau, and
Yeah.
then he get mad.
yeah.
See that guy? Before he came, my job was to bring up water, dig holes, and help my dad with no, me and my dad come and dig holes,
Mm,
and then I go help them with the birds. But when Cooper comes, I minus my job. I come and dig hole,
yeah.
and then I dig hole. Steven and Cooper help my dad pull out the kabang skin, and Cooper come help me put this one in the skin. He put in, and then he
Yeah.
put
That's
the
enough.
Yeah,
Yeah.
it's not already enough. No, big.
Yeah. There's a pig. It's a very big pig. I think there's almost 2 years to care a pig. Uh, this coming of June, the pig is all ready to meet. You have no feet in at the back. It's a very big pig. I think there's 100 kilo. Yeah, there's already boiling the bird. It's finished until tomorrow. Will be done within 6 hours or yeah, something like that. Okay, there's a fire. Okay, see you tomorrow.